WhatsApp tips, top 6 best you can try. Those are the 6 best WhatsApp tips and tricks you can try by yourself, and they are very important. Number 1, you can lock chat on WhatsApp. So to lock chat on WhatsApp, just go to chat with person and then go to his profile. As you can see here chat lock. So if you turn on this feature, you can see you can never open that chat unless you scan your face ID, or if you have Android, unless you put your fingerprint. So as you can see now, before that, as you can see, there is a chat, but for now it is different folder and it writes chat lock. So if you tap this chat lock, then you can scan your face ID or fingerprint, then it will open. If you want to turn off this feature, go to his profile and then tap turn on the face ID or fingerprint. So that's all for number 1. So number 2, you can edit message after send it on WhatsApp. So to edit message, just go to chat with person and then go to or write. Let me show you step by step. First, you have to write a message or something to the person. When you send it, then you think it is going wrong, you want to edit it, just tap that chat for at least 1 second, then you can see here edit the chat. So in here you can write different things which you think it is better. So after you write it, then you can send it again. So that is how you can edit chat on WhatsApp without any issues, and this will very help you to do so many things without having, if you send a message, then you if you think it is wrong, you are totally deleted, then you write it again. So this is the very simplest way, and they write edit message. So number 3, you can react to the message on WhatsApp. To react to the message, just type the chat you want to react and select the react for yourself. So that is number 3. For number 4 is you can disable automatic, or how to disable automatic download on WhatsApp. Just go to setting, storage and data. In here you can see on iPhone, you can see that you can disable that auto download to never. This will save some data, especially if you use data cellular, because some videos or photos you don't need to download it automatically. You yourself, you choose the one that is right for you to delete. So number 5, how you can send photos and videos at highest quality. So to do that, you need to go to this media and upload quality. You have to choose best quality, because best quality means best quality to send photos and videos. So if you tap automatic, if you have poor internet, it will send at lower resolution. Number 6, you can enable face ID or fingerprint. Just go to privacy. In here you can see on iPhone face ID. If you have used on Android, it will tell you that you use fingerprint. To turn on this feature, just go to there and toggle it on. So now you can use your face ID before you open your WhatsApp, or you can use fingerprint on Android. So that's all, guys. Please like this video, share it to friends and family, subscribe for more video like this. See you very soon.